Have you ever wondered what happens when unusual friends come together? Nestled in a lush forest amidst towering trees and babbling brooks lived Sammy the squirrel, Lenny the rabbit, and Oscar the owl. Sammy, with his nimble agility, was a master at gathering food and exploring the lofty treetops. Lenny, strong-legged and swift, spent his days burrowing and clearing pathways in the underbrush. And Oscar, the wise owl, used his keen eyesight to guide his nocturnal adventures, always on the lookout for potential dangers lurking in the shadows. Each of them, in their own unique way, contributed to the rhythm of the forest, their individual lives weaving together the rich tapestry of forest life. They were content, each absorbed in their own world, each playing their part in the vast symphony of nature. But little did they know, their lives were about to change. One sunny morning, tranquility was replaced by chaos. The serene forest was suddenly caught in the grip of a fierce storm. The once peaceful haven was transformed into a turbulent battleground as the storm's wrath swept through, uprooting trees and scattering debris. This wasn't just a gust of wind or a sprinkling of rain. This was nature at its most powerful and unpredictable, a tempest that shook the forest to its roots, turning the once familiar landscape into an alien world of chaos and destruction. The animals, Sammy the squirrel, Lenny the rabbit, and Oscar the owl, found themselves in a struggle for survival. Their daily routines of gathering and exploring were disrupted, replaced by the urgent need to seek shelter and safety. Their homes were devastated, their food sources scattered, and their sense of security shattered. As they faced this adversity, a realization dawned upon them. Amidst the storm's aftermath, they discovered the importance of unity. In the face of adversity, they realized the importance of unity. As the dust settled, a new day dawned, and with it, a new resolve. Our unlikely friends, Sammy, Lenny, and Oscar, faced the wreckage of their home with determination etched in their hearts. The storm had wreaked havoc, but it had also brought them together, sparking a flame of unity that was now impossible to extinguish. Sammy, the squirrel, with his nimble agility, scurried up the trees, his tiny paws deftly gathering twigs and leaves. Each piece, no matter how small, was a step towards rebuilding their beloved forest. His industrious spirit was a beacon of hope, a reminder that every little bit counts in the face of adversity. Down below, Lenny, the rabbit, put his strong legs to good use. He dug burrows, cleared pathways, and helped create safe spaces amidst the chaos. His tireless efforts were a testament to the power of perseverance, demonstrating that even the most daunting tasks can be conquered with determination and hard work. Meanwhile, Oscar the owl used his keen eyesight to guide the others. From his perch high above, he kept watch, alert for any dangers that might be lurking in the shadows. His vigilant watchfulness was a comforting presence, a promise of safety in a world that had suddenly become unpredictable. As the days passed, the marks of the storm began to fade. Twigs were woven into nests, burrows were carved into the earth, and a sense of normalcy started to return. The forest, once a picture of devastation, was gradually showing signs of recovery, all thanks to our friends' cooperative efforts. Their individual strengths, when combined, proved to be greater than any storm. Sammy's agility, Lenny's strength, and Oscar's vigilance, each unique and valuable, came together to create something truly remarkable. Their home was being rebuilt, not just by their paws, claws, and wings, but by the unyielding spirit of unity and cooperation. And as they worked side by side, their bond of friendship deepened, becoming as sturdy and resilient as the forest they were restoring. Their individual strengths, when combined, proved to be greater than any storm. Through their journey, they had discovered something more valuable than any material possession. The storm had brought turmoil, but in its wake, it had also sown the seeds of understanding, cooperation, and friendship. Sammy, Lenny, and Oscar learned that they were stronger together than they ever could be apart. Their unique abilities, when combined, could overcome even the direst of situations. They understood the importance of teamwork and the power of unity. In working together, they found resilience, an ability to bounce back from adversity that they hadn't known they possessed. Their bonds grew stronger, not in spite of the storm, but because of it. They realized they could face any challenge, as long as they faced it together. In unity, there was resilience; in cooperation, there was strength; and in friendship, there was love. And that, dear viewers, is the power of an unlikely friendship.